Sorry, I ran out of space on my phone, so I had to delete a few old videos to make enough room for this. So I'm going to take the inverse of this. So to calculate the inverse, we have to take the determinant. The determinant is going to be this times this minus this times this, which is actually pretty easy when you realize that it's going to be 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 minus 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2, and that's just going to be equal to the square root of 5. And then we find this matrix here, which would be 1, v, -1, negative v prime. And we divide these by all of this by the square root of 5. So that would be square root of 5 over 5 negative square root of 5 over 5 negative v prime over the square root of 5 and v over the square root of 5. So this here is equal to v prime 1 v 0 0 prime power n 5 5 and square root of 5 over 5 and negative.
Also, just so you know, you said square root of 5 over 5, but you only wrote negative 5 over 5.
Oh, thank you. Now, we know that this here is going to be equal to this here. So when we multiply this out, remember we need to put this vector here, starting point. So we're going to get this vector here. So remember it's 1, 0, and 1, 0. So it's going to be square root of 5 over 5, negative square root of 5 over 5. Multiply it against this and get then multiply that by this. Get, let's see. So we can see that the nth term is going to be equal to this, which is going to be equal to the square root of 5 times phi to the power of n over 5 minus the square root of 5 times phi prime to the power of n over 5. And that is how you can calculate the 700th term, 1000th term, 5000th term. And now you know how to calculate each of those terms.